Good morning, everybody. It is about 7:45 this morning in Dubrovnik, and we are heading to the airport. So we have a flight around 11:30, and it's a bit of a ride, and there's a lot of construction, so we're leaving a little bit early to make sure we can have plenty of time at the airport to get there. So we're flying direct from Dubrovnik to London, Gatwick. So that'll be different because I've never flown in there before. And we should get there maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I believe. So we should have enough time to do a couple of things in London, and then we have all day tomorrow in London before we head back to the States. So, a bit of a travel day today. Hopefully, no snags.
It's British Airways this time, so hopefully not.
Yeah. We will see. You never know. You've seen Dubrovnik is like kind of cleaning all the trash up from last night. This early in the morning, they kind of looks like they just go through the whole city, get all the trash, put it out to the roads, and come pick it up.
A lot of cardboard.
Yeah, a lot of cardboard boxes and stuff. All the restaurants. Huh. Kind of a different side if you don't get up early. Still cats.
Yeah, there was a cat this morning that woke me up at 5:15 meowing. I haven't told you this yet, but
Oh.
I was just walking down the alley. I'm like, oh no.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get an Uber. And we'll get out of here. Quick update. We just got through security here at Dubrovnik Airport. We had to wait around to get our gate called to be able to get our tickets and stuff like that. But luckily when we got to the gate, they checked our bags for free, which is pretty cool. So we got our bags checked for free, which is cool. We got just our little bag now. The thing about this airport is like it's really different. When you go through passport check, you empty into a duty-free shop. You have to go into the duty-free shop, and then when you exit, you're kind of in this holding area where you can't get to any gate, and all it is just shopping everywhere. So there's like nowhere to sit near a gate. Like our gate is right here. Our gate's right here, and there's like 10 seats, and it's like, oh, look at all those seats over there. Those would be nice because that's our gate, but they don't let you through. The gate 22 right there, they don't let you through until, I don't know, and then you can wait in there, I guess. But it's like they've got you holed up near all these shops. So, like, there's a shop right there, and there's a shop around the corner, and it's like they're trying to force you to go all these shops. It's kind of weird. I don't really like it. So, don't like Dubrovnik Airport. Just kind of weird. You have to stand, I guess, because there's just no seating anywhere where we can be right now. I guess unless we go all the way down here. I guess we can go down here and wait. until we can come up. Maybe that's what we'll do. I don't know. It's just weird. I don't like it. Okay. So we should be landing somewhere around 1:30. Got to get our bag, and then we're landing at Gatwick. So we've got a 30-minute ride to get into London downtown, and then our hotel. We have a hotel is right next to the Heathrow airport. So then we probably got another 45-minute ride to get to Heathrow to drop our bags off. So hopefully we can get into town and see a thing or two today, and then we have all day tomorrow to see whatever we need. So back to London and then back home. So we landed in London. We're at Gatwick this time, and that was about the quickest passport check I've ever been through. They just scanned it in the machine. Mine worked this time, and so did hers. So we were through in less than a minute. No, it was less than a minute. By the time we got there, it was just through a machine and go. So just got to find our bags now. Okay, right there. So, Dubrovnik 2. Okay, so we'll get our bags and then find this train to London. Okay, so we switched from the overground to the underground, so we're in St. Pancras, and now we're looking for the underground, which is just a quick little transfer over here. Underground that way. This is a big main station here.
We have to remember to walk on the left.
Yeah. We just got used to walking on the right again, and now we're back to the left. But really, it's like walk wherever you want to walk. We arrived to Hatton Cross and trying to decide whether to take a bus or just take an Uber. It's like 11 minutes by bus, but we have to wait another 11 or 12 minutes for it to get here. Or 5 minutes by Uber. See how much it costs. I think it's just right up here. Okay, so we have to ride the bus.
I didn't get to go upstairs though.
For one station. Let's see. You got the walk here? Can you pull up the directions on the walk?
Yeah.
I think it's just straight ahead. Okay. So we ended up just getting a Holiday Inn Express hotel literally right next to Heathrow. So make it easier when we leave Monday morning. Getting to the airport for sure, but we are a ways away out of town. It's either just be really far away from town, like we are, or be really far away from the airport. So we decided to be close to the airport because we got a early morning, and that way we don't have to worry about rushing or anything.
And tomorrow we have all day in the city, so we can take as much time as we need to get into the city.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll get in and we'll have all day to do whatever we need, and there really is only a handful of things that we still want to do, so we can do those handful of things and then do whatever we want. So see what we're going to do tonight. Probably just get dinner, be pretty chill, but everybody's got to have travel days like this from time to time, and you just gotta deal with them. Okay, we are staying here at the Holiday Inn Express right by the airport. Quick room tour. It's pretty standard, what you would expect. Here's the room, bathroom first. Nice new sink. This whole facility is pretty new. Big window or mirror, towels, everything. Toilet, and nice shower. That looks different. I guess you can pull it down or something. There's it turned around. There you go. There's the shower. Oh geez, I didn't notice that. What's in there? Hair dryer, ironing board, mirror, little closet space, lots of place to put your stuff. Interesting looking chair. AC, lots of power there, power over there. TV, more power. And our bed, just a regular queen bed. And here's our view of the beautiful parking garage at London Heathrow. Best parking garage view you can ask for. No? That's about it. I haven't heard a plane come in, so that either means it's really well insulated. Oh, there goes one out. Oh, yeah. I can barely hear it. So, that's good to know, because I was a little worried about that when I booked it. But no, you won't hear any of that. So if you're interested in a room, it's right by the airport, so you don't have to worry. If you're just staying for a night real quick and getting on a flight early the next morning, these are actually really well priced. They're really reasonable, and it's going to be pretty quick and easy to get to the airport in the morning, I'm sure. So we're going to relax for a little bit, find a place for dinner, and probably about it. Maybe we find something to do in the area. I don't know. We'll see. So we decided to make it a lazy day, and we're going to hit it hard tomorrow. So we ordered off an app and got dinner. We got Lebanese food. And it took a long time to get it, but it's here. It's warm, not hot, but it's here. So let's see how it is.
Like put something down.
You want to eat over there?
No, I just want to like put this down, but I don't want to make a lot of.
Oh, go ahead. What is this called?
I don't know. It's a special.
What was yours called? What were these?
I don't know. I'm trying to.
It's been like an hour and a half since we ordered, and I don't remember what anything was called.
Okay, those were cheese.
Fatayers.
But that does not look like what the fatayer was when we ordered it. That looks like the shashasha.
I can't. Is that cheese? I think that's cheese. I think my face says it all. It's
I
food.
don't think this is what we ordered, but
It's food. This probably won't make a video, but unless I'm desperate.
all the
The carrots taste like carrots.
pickle was good.
Okay. Yeah. I think we're just gonna eat, and this probably won't make a video, but whatever.